Hey there, RecTech family. I'm Chef Greg. Today we're gonna cook a delicious spatchcock turkey that we're gonna stuff with a maple pecan butter. It's gonna be delicious. So for this easy recipe, I have 1 pound of softened butter. I've got 1 cup of pecans that I put in a food processor to make kind of small. We're also gonna make this super flavorful with 2 tablespoons of fresh rosemary, tablespoon of fresh thyme, and everybody's favorite around the holidays, some pure maple syrup. And we're just gonna mix this up. So to ensure that this bird is gonna have really delicious crispy skin, we're gonna take our hands and we're gonna pull the skin away from the meat. And that's gonna give us an area that we can stuff with that delicious pecan maple butter. And we'll do the same thing on the legs and thighs as well. So what we can do is we can take small amounts of that butter and go ahead and start to stuff. So it's easier if you put it at the top, and then you can take your other hand over top the skin and push it down. As this turkey cooks, that skin's gonna get tight and it's gonna hold that delicious butter, and it's gonna be fantastic. If there's any extra butter in your bowl, just go ahead and rub on top of that skin, and that'll act as a binder for our delicious dry rub. All right, now that we've got all that delicious butter up underneath the skin, let's go ahead and get it seasoned off. And we're gonna use that Colden's Freakin Greek rub. And this is a 16-pound turkey. We'll be cooking this on the RT 340 Trailblazer, which is the smallest grill in our lineup, and this turkey will fit in there no problem. This spatchcock turkey looks amazing. I wish you guys were here with me to smell and taste this. But to recap, we cooked this at 325 degrees. It went just shy of 2 hours. And don't forget, we made that maple and pecan compound butter. We put that under the skin. We seasoned this up all over with Colden's Freakin Greek. It's absolutely amazing. But to serve this, you could bring this on the table just like this and carve it tableside. I find it a little easier to go ahead and remove the leg and thighs. And what we'll do is, you can see right here there's a little a seam. You can cut that leg right off because my kids would go to town on that. And again, for that breast, there's a couple ways to do this. We can split right down that rib cage, and since we spatchcocked it, it's missing the backside of that spinal column. So what you want to do to make your life easy, grab that rib cage from the back, and you can actually pull that off. Otherwise, you're going to be trying to cut through that, and it's kind of a bit of a pain. So go ahead and remove the back of that rib cage, and that way when you go to slice it, you can get nice, even, easy slices. And if you look real close, you can see a layer of that compound pecan and maple butter that's just basted that breast the entire time. If you're looking for a great recipe, check out this spatchcock turkey. You don't want to miss it.